Hi, this is the demo of the Team Tasks app. The Team Task app will help you manage your freelancer or employees' tasks. There are three user groups. One is an admin, the second one is an employee or a freelancer, and the third one is a new user. An admin can activate new users. The admin can create and assign tasks to any user. The admin can mark any task as complete and they can track any pending task. An employee or freelancer can view their details and work only on their task. They can upload, edit the task and mark their task as complete. The new user can provide their details and wait for the admin to sign up. And once the admin signs up, they become employee or freelancer, and till they are active, they won't see each other details in the app. So we will walk through each of this user journey. First, let me preview as a test user. So I've entered as a test user. If you see, there are only one tab that is visible for a test user. So you can click the test user and you can enter the details. So test Swayze, you can upload a photo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you submit, it will say that hey, I have received the details, and till your onboarding is complete, you can see your details. The user can edit their details as they see fit. Right? Now we will see as another employee user. An employee, I'm going to take for example Dwight, who is an employee. So I'm going to preview this as an employee Dwight. So he can see what his details are. He can also see who are the other associates who are part of the team, and he can also see what are the pending tasks that he has. If he sees each of this, he can also mark each of the tasks as complete or not. Now if he wants to see the completed tasks, he can see his completed task at this place and if needed he can mark them as not complete and update it. Now we will review the app as an admin. For example, Scott is an admin. I'm going to preview a Scott. So if you see, Scott has a couple more areas. So Scott can see his own details. In employee list, Scott can see the people who are already active, and he can also see the people who are waiting for activation. These are employees who are waiting for activated. Scott can select them and make them as an active employee or admin and assign any designation as he sees fit. He can also see the tasks that are assigned to him, and at the same time he can also see all the pending tasks that are assigned to different people. Here Scott can also see what are the overall completed tasks across all the user group, and another functionality is that he can use this to track what are the overall open tasks and the completed tasks, and which users have the most number of open tasks and the completed tasks. Thank you for watching this demo. I hope you find this useful.